Model 1989 Citroen 280L 2.5L full camper great project. Body white camper. Mileage 222,407. Engine 2500 cc. Transmission 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs great. Headgasket needs replacing. Coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition. This van has been part converted into a camper in the rear. With loads of potential and the sky being the limit, this could make a great family getaway. Some of the key features have already been installed and just require some TLC to get it over the finish line. Features: part service history, hob, fridge, bed, sink. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.